Welcome to Consumer Times. In this episode, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming digital metrology, the science of measurement, and its crucial role in India's journey toward becoming a developed nation. From ensuring product quality to enabling smart cities, discover how AI powered measurement systems are reshaping industries, protecting consumers, and driving innovation across manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. Join us as we unveil the invisible technology that's making Make in India more precise, reliable, and globally competitive. Welcome back to Consumer Times, where we decode the technologies shaping your everyday life and India's future. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound technical but affects every product you buy, every service you use, and every aspect of India's march toward becoming a developed nation by 2047. We're talking about artificial intelligence in digital metrology, the invisible science that's revolutionizing how we measure, verify, and ensure quality in everything around us. Let's start with a simple question. What is metrology, and why should you care? Metrology is the science of measurement. It's what ensures that the medicine you take contains exactly the right dose, that the fuel you pump into your vehicle matches what you're paying for, and that the smartphone in your hand meets the specifications promised by the manufacturer. Digital metrology takes this age-old science and supercharges it with modern technology, sensors, digital imaging, data analytics, and increasingly, artificial intelligence. For decades, measurement and quality control relied heavily on human inspectors armed with basic tools. A skilled technician might examine hundreds of components per day, looking for defects, measuring dimensions, and ensuring standards are met. But human eyes get tired, attention wavers, and tiny imperfections slip through. This is where AI is creating a paradigm shift that's transforming not just how we measure, but how we build, manufacture, and innovate. Artificial intelligence brings unprecedented capabilities to digital metrology. Imagine a manufacturing line where AI-powered cameras scan thousands of products per minute, detecting defects smaller than a human hair. These systems don't just identify problems, they learn from patterns, predict potential failures before they occur, and automatically adjust manufacturing parameters to prevent defects. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets from sensors embedded throughout production facilities, identifying correlations that human analysts might never discover. Computer vision systems inspect complex three-dimensional objects with precision measured in micrometers, while neural networks continuously improve their accuracy with every measurement taken. This technology isn't science fiction, it's happening right now in India's advanced manufacturing facilities. Consider the automotive industry, where AI-powered metrology systems ensure that critical components like engine parts, brake systems, and safety features meet exact specifications. A deviation of even a fraction of a millimeter could compromise vehicle safety, but AI systems catch these issues instantly, often before a defective part even leaves the production line. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, AI-enabled measurement systems verify that every tablet contains precisely the right amount of active ingredient, protecting millions of consumers from potentially dangerous dosing errors. The agricultural sector is experiencing its own metrology revolution. AI-powered sensors and imaging systems help farmers measure soil health, moisture levels, and crop conditions with unprecedented accuracy. Precision agriculture systems use this data to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, reducing waste while increasing yields. For a nation like India, where agriculture employs nearly half the workforce and food security remains a critical concern, these advances aren't just about efficiency, they're about ensuring prosperity and sustainability for millions of families. In healthcare, AI-driven diagnostic equipment is revolutionizing medical metrology. Advanced imaging systems powered by machine learning can detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages than ever before, measuring and analyzing cellular changes that might escape human observation. Portable diagnostic devices equipped with AI algorithms are bringing sophisticated medical testing to rural areas, democratizing access to quality healthcare across India's vast geography. These systems measure everything from blood glucose levels to cardiac rhythms with laboratory-grade precision, all while being affordable and accessible enough for widespread deployment. But here's where this story becomes truly transformative for India's future. As our nation aspires to become a developed economy, digital metrology powered by AI becomes not just an advantage but a necessity. Global markets demand rigorous quality standards. When Indian manufacturers can demonstrate that their products meet or exceed international specifications, verified through AI-powered measurement systems that provide irrefutable data, it opens doors to premium export markets. Make in India becomes Made in India with AI-verified excellence. The government's vision for India's metrology infrastructure recognizes this reality. Plans are underway to establish a network of AI-enabled calibration and testing laboratories across the country. These facilities will provide even small and medium enterprises access to world-class measurement capabilities, leveling the playing field and allowing Indian businesses of all sizes to compete globally. Smart manufacturing hubs are being developed in cities across India, where shared AI-powered quality control systems will support clusters of manufacturers, reducing costs while elevating standards. This transformation extends beyond manufacturing into India's ambitious Smart Cities initiative. Urban infrastructure equipped with AI-powered sensor networks continuously measures air quality, traffic flow, water distribution efficiency, and energy consumption. This real-time metrology allows cities to optimize resources, reduce waste, and improve quality of life for citizens. When traffic sensors measure congestion patterns with AI analysis, traffic lights can adjust dynamically, reducing commute times and fuel consumption. When water quality sensors detect contamination instantly, authorities can respond before public health is compromised. The consumer protection implications are equally profound. AI-powered metrology systems make it much harder for unscrupulous businesses to cheat customers. Smart weighing scales at markets, AI-verified fuel pumps at petrol stations, and automated testing of packaged goods all create a more transparent, fair marketplace. For Consumer Times and our mission to protect consumer rights, this technology represents a powerful ally, one that never sleeps, never takes bribes, and provides objective, verifiable measurements that protect honest businesses while exposing fraud. Of course, this futuristic vision faces real challenges. India needs thousands of trained professionals who can deploy, maintain, and innovate with AI-powered metrology systems. Educational institutions must evolve their curricula to prepare the next generation for these careers. Infrastructure investment is substantial, high-precision measurement equipment is expensive, and widespread deployment requires both capital and commitment. Smaller businesses may struggle with adoption costs, necessitating government support programs and financing mechanisms to ensure inclusive growth. There's also the critical question of global standards alignment. As India builds its AI-powered metrology infrastructure, systems must be compatible with international measurement protocols. Indian certifications must be recognized worldwide, and vice versa. This requires ongoing collaboration with global metrology organizations and continuous investment in maintaining cutting-edge capabilities. Yet despite these challenges, the trajectory is clear and compelling. AI in digital metrology isn't just about better measurements, it's about building trust in Indian products, protecting consumers, empowering businesses, and accelerating our nation's development. It's about creating an economy where quality is verifiable, excellence is replicable, and innovation is measurable. As India stands at this technological crossroads, investments in AI-powered metrology infrastructure today will compound into competitive advantages for decades to come, supporting our vision of a developed, prosperous, and globally respected nation by 2047. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this exploration of AI and digital metrology insightful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what aspects of India's technological future you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and remember, in the age of AI, measurement isn't just about numbers, it's about building the future we all deserve.